How might a firm apply basic defense strategies in a hyper-competitive environment? Giants of industry are frequently brought down by relatively small competitors, able to adapt to new situations or able to bring new ideas to bear. Much of the success in a hyper-competitive environment is based on the strategy of finding and building temporary advantages through market disruption rather than sustaining advantage and building for equilibrium. In other words, success comes from initiating changes in the market rather than responding to changes. The capability for disruption is dependent on the next two factors: a company's ability to act fast. If two companies see the same opportunity together, the one which is able to act the fastest will win the day. Its capacity for surpassing its competitors. The firm which is able to create new opportunities which its competitors are unable to foresee will drive the market towards.